Hello everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have another vehicle walk-around tour. I'm going to showcase the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS 450 4MATIC Coupe. This comes in a white exterior, it's got a black interior. Love these CLS models. It's kind of sporty, but still, all the room of a sedan. You've got a little over 360 horsepower. So you got plenty of performance here. Blind spot assist. Always love the Mercedes illumination that you'll see that actually comes from right underneath here, right there. So yeah, it's kind of a fun little feature. So we've got heated memory seats, ventilated seats as well. We've got the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker package throughout the vehicle. You also notice this kind of gray wood grain accent trim also throughout the vehicle. Definitely very sharp. Let's go ahead and hop inside. And we do have a push button ignition. This is a brand new vehicle, currently at 21 miles. We've barely had a test drive. So another look here at our steering wheel. And then we have our touchscreen display. It's currently showing navigation. There's our backup camera. You can see there's a ton of different camera options. Two different reverse ones there. You've got left and right, front again, and then a parking assist function here as well. Okay, so below our display, we've got our climate controls here. There's also a climate control menu that you can access and then use the touchscreen just like you would for any other function. But also have the physical buttons as well. We've got some other quick select here options for navigation, radio, vehicle settings, all kinds of stuff you can access here throughout the menu. Again, it's a touchscreen, so you can see me using it that way. There's also steering wheel controls right here. This one on the right controls your display there. We've also got one over here on the left, which controls the driver interface, which can also be fully customized as well. Plenty more things we could talk about just within the steering wheel, but again, this can be kind of a quick overview video. So yeah, if you're interested in learning more features, you can always reach out to us. We'd love to walk you through in person, online, over the phone, or even schedule a test drive. So here you can see I'm adjusting the dynamic select that'll affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. It's just the switch right here. We've also got a touchpad here for controlling your main display. Volume controls, some parking cameras, and then the auto shut-off function if the vehicle comes to a stop, such as at a stoplight. Okay, we'll go ahead and hop out. I'll show you the rear seats here next. So again, Burmester speakers throughout, wood grain accent trim throughout. We've got our rear seats here. Another peek at that sunroof. And we'll do a little peek back up front. Okay. Next we'll go around to the rear of the vehicle. So we've got our CLS 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. We've got a power opening and closing trunk. Plenty of storage space back here. And push button to close. So once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLS 450 4MATIC Coupe in a white exterior with a black interior. If you're interested in learning more, even setting up that test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.